Good morning, student. Here we given here we discussed already question number 4 in previous class. Now yes, today is given here question number 5. Question number 5 say here, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the room A, B, C, D. एक क्लासरूम है, ठीक है, उसमें 4 फ्रेंड्स बैठ रहे हैं A, B, C and D. Clear? As shown in the figure, Champa and Chameli walk into the class, and after observing for few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is square?" Chameli disagree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. अब चंपा और चमेली दो ऐसी सहेलियां थी, दोनों क्लासरूम में घूमती है. चंपा कहती है कि चमेली, डोंट यू थिंक ABCD इज स्क्वायर. चमेली से चंपा कहती कि क्या तुम सोच नहीं सकती है कि ये क्या है, स्क्वायर है. ABCD क्या है, स्क्वायर है. लेकिन जो चमेली है उससे क्या होती है, डिसएग्री है, उसको कहती नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. तो हमें इस चीज़ को प्रूव करना है कि नहीं ये स्क्वायर है कि नहीं है. क्लियर? तो हमें इसमें दिखाना पड़ेगा कि ये स्क्वायर है या नहीं. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा, फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द फिगर्स से हम A, B, C और D के हम क्या निकालेंगे, कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालेंगे. वो कैसे हम निकालेंगे, क्लियर? तो नाउ हियर इज look at your point here. First we see that A is x-axis here is 3. So A here is x-axis is equal to 3 and in y-axis 4. तो A's coordinates, A की coordinate क्या होंगे, 3, 4. इसी प्रकार अगर हम B को देखें, B तो x-axis पे 6, जो B के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे, B's coordinate x-axis 6 and in y-axis we take here this one is the 7. Clear? Here is given that 7 and C point we discuss here. On x-axis is 9 and y-axis is 4. So abscissa is 9 and ordinate is 4 and D's coordinates क्या होंगे, D के क्या कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे. अब D पे देखिए 6, x एक्सिस पे 6 एंड y एक्सिस पे 1, तो इसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे 6, 1. अब हमें क्या निकालना है, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A एंड B. डिस्टेंस इन ए बी के जब हम डिस्टेंस निकालेंगे तो वी यूज हियर AB इज इक्वल टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस फार्मूला x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर. क्लियर? नाउ थिंक हियर, x2 इज हियर 6, x1 इज गिवन 3, y2 is given 7 and y1 is given here 4. So put here the values of these. Here x2 is here 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2's values here given as 7 and y1 is given here is the 4 whole square. So what we get here, what is difference? 6 minus 3 we get here 3 whole square and plus 7 minus 4 we get here 3 whole square. Here we get here 9, 3 3 is 9 plus 9 we get here under root 18. We find here AB is equal to under root 18. AB की जो डिस्टेंस हमें क्या मिली, under root 18. Now to find the distance between BC, same formula we apply here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now see, this one is become x1, y1, x2, y2. So put this value here for BC. For BC, x2 is 9 and x1 is here 6 whole square plus y2 here is 4 and y1 here is given that 7 whole square. So what we get here? 9 minus 6, we get here 3 whole square and here minus 3 whole square. So we get here 9 plus 9, we get here root 18. Clear? We find AB, BC. Clear? Then we find here CD. Distance between CD. Look here. CD under root. Now for the CD, same formula applying. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And x2 here is given. x2 here given. x2 is a 6 and x1 is given here 9 plus y2 here is given 1 and y1 is given here 4 whole square. So what we get here? 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square and minus 3 whole square. So we get here under root 9 plus 9. We get also here root 18. AB, BC, CD. Same values we find under root 18 and under root 18. Now we find last point here. Look what we find. DA. AD or DA. AD. AD under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. अब DA, so this AD or DA. So put here there. AD, A is equal to x x2. Here is this one. This one is not here. This one is right here. DA. This one is a perfect. x2 here. x2 here is 3 and x1 is given here 6 whole square plus y2 here is given 1 or y1 here is given minus 4 whole square. So we get here also, what we get here? Minus 3 whole square minus 3 whole square. So what we get here? 9 plus 9. So DA is equal to under root 18. AB 18, BC 18, root 18, CD root 18 and DA root 18. All sides are equal. Clear? So what is the condition of diagonal? If diagonals are equal, then say that this one is a square. क्लियर? जब तक डायगोनल्स को हम इक्वल नहीं कर देते तब तक हम इसे ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि ये क्या है, स्क्वायर है. हाँ, अभी ये पता हो गया कि ये फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल. क्लियर? नाउ वी फाइंड द डायगोनल. कैन इरेज दिस? लुक हियर. डायगोनल। अब आपको जो फिगर दिखा रहा है दिस वन ए बी सी एंड डी, तो हियर इज टू डायगोनल्स ए सी एंड बी डी, ए सी एंड बी डी। तो A's coordinates here 3 4, B's coordinate 6 7, C's coordinate 9 4 and D's coordinates here 6 1. So find the distance between AC. So AC, find the distance here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now look here, x2 here is 9 minus 3 whole square. 9 minus 3 is equal to 3 whole square. Y2 here is given that 4 and y1 is given here 4 whole square. So we get here 6 whole square plus 0. So this one is find here under root 36 and under root 36 value is 6. Clear? So first diagonal, जो first diagonal, this one is distance here 6 and find the BD. BD find here same formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? x2 here is given that x2 आपको क्या दे रहा है? DA, D या BD, तो we here BD, तो x1 here this x2 6, तो 6 minus 6 whole square plus y2 here is 1 and y1 here is given minus 7. So what we get here? So 0 square plus minus 6 whole square. So we get here 36 and here we get here 6. So diagonals also are equal. Clear? So since it is here, since AB is equal to BC is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to DA. Clear? And also AC is equal to BD. Clear? And also AC is equal to BD. So ABCD is a square. Is a square. Clear? And so Champa is correct. And so Champa is a correct. Clear? Now we discuss next question. Now we discuss the question number 6 and coordinate geometry. Name the type of quadrilateral form if any by the following points and give the regions for your answer. अब यहाँ पे दे रहा है कि आपकी फोर पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं, ठीक। अब इनसे आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि दिस नंबर्स विच टाइप ऑफ quadrilateral is developed. Clear? And what get reason also here. So let here we discuss here the first one here and rest of you solve. Clear? Only one question we discuss here and rest of the similar that one. Now here is given, first we draw the figure solution. Let here the solution of this problem. Now here, let that here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And their coordinates also here given. Let here, given that -1, -2, B is 1, 0, C is here -1 and 2, and D is here -3, 0. क्लियर? तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि ये जो फिगर हमने बनाया ये क्या है, किस तरह के कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं, किस तरह के कोऑर्डिनेटर को ये डेवलप कर रहा है. तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड व्हाट यू कैन डू हियर, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द these 2 points AB, BC, CD and DA. Then we find their diagonals also. Clear? Similar. Now here, first we here let E is -1, -2, B 1, 0, and C's coordinates -1, 2, and D's coordinates here, D's coordinates -3, 0. Clear? Be the given points. Be the given points. Be the given points. Be the given points. We use here the distance formula. We use here distance formula. Distance formula. Yeah? We use here the distance formula. Clear? So we get first one here, distance between A and B. Distance between A and B. So use here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So look at 2 points. This one is x1, y1, x2, y2. So here is given that x2's value is here 1 minus x1 value is here -1 minus 1 whole square plus y2's value is here given that -2, 0, 0, and y1 is values here given -2 whole square. Clear? Now look that minus into minus multiplication, we write here 1 plus 1 whole square plus minus into minus, we get here 2 plus 2 whole square. So what we get here, 2's whole square plus 2's whole square, we get here 4 plus 4, we get here √8. The distance between A and B, we find √8. Similar, find BC. Similarly, find distance between BC. So BC is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now look here, x1, y1, x2, y2. Here is a C. In C, -1 is a x2. So -1 here, and x1 is given here -1 whole square plus y2 here is given 2 and y1 is given here 0 whole square. So what we get here, -2 whole square plus 2 whole square. -2 whole square we get here 4 plus 4 we get √8. So BC also we find here √8. Now find next portion. Next here Which one? CD. Find here CD. Distance between CD. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here is given that x2 CD. So x2 is minus 3 and x1 is minus 1. So minus 1. This one is right, this minus 1 whole square plus y2. y2 given here is 0 and y1 is given here 2 whole square. So we get here, now look here, minus 3 plus 1 whole square minus 2 whole square. Then we minus this one, we get here minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So what we get here? What we get here? Again, look that. So we get here 4 plus 4, we get root 8. CD also we find root 8. AB, BC and CD are equal root 8. Now find last one is DA. Find here DA. DA, find the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 here is given that x2 is minus 1 and x1 is minus 3 whole square plus y2 given here minus 2 and y1 here is given 0 whole square. So we saw here minus 1 plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So we get also here 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. We get here root of 4 plus 4, we get here root 8. So DA also find be root 8. It means sure that AB, BC, CD, DA are equal. Now to find the diagonal. If diagonals are equal, then say that this figure is a square. Here is diagonal AC and next is BD. Now find the diagonals of this figure. Distance between AC is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So x2 here is given that minus 1. x2 is given that minus 1 and x1 is given here minus 1 whole square. Clear? Minus 1 whole square plus y2 given here is 2 and y1 is given here minus 2 whole square. Clear? Now here look that minus into minus plus, so minus 1 plus 1 whole square and here 2 plus 2 whole square. So what we get here, this one is the zeros whole square, the zeros square, and this one is a 4 square. So what we get here, 16, and the square root of 16 we get here 4. We get here the 4. Now find BD. If BD is find 4, then say that this one is a square. So BD here BD, distance between BD, the same formula apply, distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So x2 here is given, x2 is given minus 3 and x1 is given here minus 1 whole square plus y2 here is given that 0 and y1 also 0 whole square. So what we get here, minus 4 whole square plus 0 square. So what we get here, root 16, and root 16 value is here 4. Clear? So we say that, what we say that, now since, let here, now since AB, BC, CD and DA, AB is equal to BC is equal to AB, BC, CD is equal to DA, and also AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Then say that ABCD is a square. So ABCD is a square. Yeah. Rest portion of this question you solve. If you face any problem, to ask me in my WhatsApp number or by the comment through we find this one. Clear?